In this video, I will show you how to delete a note in Evernote. Start by logging into your Evernote account. On the left-hand menu, click on Notes to view all your notes. Select the note you want to delete by clicking on it. Once the note is open, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the Note window. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Move to Trash. This will move the note to the Trash folder, where it will be stored temporarily. To permanently delete the note, navigate to the Trash folder by scrolling down on the left-hand menu and clicking on More. Then simply select Trash. Here, you'll see all the notes you've moved to the trash. Select the note you want to delete permanently, click on the three lines, and choose Delete Permanently. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Delete again to confirm the action. This will permanently remove the note from your Evernote account. It's important to note that notes in the trash folder are only stored for a limited time before they are automatically deleted. If you accidentally delete a note, you can restore it from the trash folder within this time frame.